the fastest 3D printer I've ever seen. It's shaking the table. It's going so quickly.
Good morning, everyone. Something very exciting is about to happen, I think. A few weeks ago, we got this email from this company that makes 3D printers, and they had seen some of the content that Jacob had made where he was talking about how much he loves 3D printing and how he's been doing it a lot. And they said, hey, would you like us to send you one? Today, we got notified that there is a package at the P.O. Box. It is the thing we've been waiting for, which is a new 3D printer. And this is an absolute dream for Jacob. He has all of these designs and things that he has been wanting to print, and this machine is going to make it happen. I know this is a big deal for you, Jacob, but I don't totally understand it. Why this printer? Like, why are you excited about this one?
So, it is the Creality K1 Max. It is the fastest printer on the market, and it is very, very cool. It's fully enclosed. It is an FDM printer. The build volume is 300 by 300 by 300, I think, millimeters. So I can print full helmets. It's fast. Like, I can print an Iron Man helmet in like 16 hours, which is crazy.
All right, let's go get it.
Let's go.
Oh my goodness, a whole crate with latches. It has metal latches. This is fancy. This is very, very fancy.
All right, let's do it.
Wait, Jacob.
Yeah?
Right here. K1 Max. Do you see it?
Oh, yeah.
See? K1 Max?
Yep.
Oh,
That's it.
boy. Light it up. This is Jacob at his absolute happiest moment of his life.
Yeah, pretty much.
Somebody somewhere is watching this going, that's not how you open that. Somebody knows.
Okay.
Are you using your spider webs to open it?
It says K1 Max right here.
You peek in?
Yeah, look. I don't know how well you can see this in the camera, but it says K1 Max.
Oh, it does say K1 Max.
Oh, Bailey sees what's going on.
Ooh, look at this.
Wait, what?
This is
Got some
exciting.
stuff. Got some stuff.
Stickers! Stickers!
These are the stickers.
K1 Max.
And then we've got the instruction manuals and the warranty. This is the top, I think.
He's been watching lots of video on this. No, that's not the top. Yeah, it is.
So this is
You
the
add
top
like a little
piece.
top piece. Oh my
What if the
gosh,
plastic
it's
breaks
gonna
when you lift it?
Wow!
Like, what if it breaks?
We'll see.
Oh, it's gonna break.
It's gonna break, it's gonna break.
Here, you need a third helper.
There's some way of doing this.
Hold on.
Let me help.
Got
Let's
it.
get it from the bottom. There it is. It's not as heavy as it looks.
Oh,
It's mostly just inside.
kind of looks like a microwave, like
Or
an
a
oven.
refrigerator.
Mini
Some sort of kitchen appliance.
Yeah.
So, okay, I'm gonna take this off first. It looks like a dehydrator.
Look,
Here
it's
is
boxed.
the tester filament, I think. The tester filament.
Yeah, it's a
Looks like we
texture.
got the tools. Curious if this is like the same filament. That's cool. This is the filament roll. So you put this in the back, and then you put the filament on here.
You're shaking.
I am very excited about this.
Yes, the slow release. This is my favorite.
Oh, it was satisfying for a minute and then very scary because I thought you were gonna hit the camera with it.
Take this
I
thing.
love how it's all enclosed, Jake.
Yeah. And it's got a filter on the back too.
So the enclosure makes it so that like dust doesn't mess up your stuff? Is that the main reason for it?
Dust and other, like if there's anything in the filament that's bad for the air.
So it filters the air.
Yeah.
Is to make it quieter?
Really pretty.
Yeah, that too.
And probably
And it
adjusts.
heats up the inside too, so the filament like sticks better.
Jacob.
Oh, so it's temperature controlled.
Yeah. It's very satisfying. Especially like when it like goes around a screw. No, that's satisfying. No. It was satisfying on one of them. Wait, switch. Did that do a thing? It's got the temperatures of all the different things like the nozzle and the hotbed and the printing speed and the inside of the actual enclosure. This thing is so fast. Like, this is the fastest 3D printer I've ever seen. It's shaking the table. It's going so quick. It's going so fast. So, I think we're gonna move this off of this table after it's done printing this. It's got 3 minutes left.
And it
2
shows,
minutes
like-
left now.
And it shows like it being built.
Yeah, look at this. It says the percentage. And it shows, it has this little monitor that shows like how far off it is from finishing.
There's also a great camera up there.
Yeah.
It is almost done. Look at that.
98%.
0 minutes left. Gonna go.
99.
Look at how fast that was. That was like a 5-minute print.
It was 16 minutes.
16?
So it was pretty, yeah, which is really, really cool. My first Benji on this new printer.
You know, I just like pop it out. How does it work, Jake?
And then you like go like.
And then I might need to use the tool.
He has a special tool.
Ooh, how does it feel? Is it smooth?
Feels pretty good. It's got really good layer lines.
That is like the best print I've ever seen you do.
Aww. Well done, Jacob.
It is a few days later. Jacob has had a chance to do a few prints and try a couple different things out with the 3D printer. What's your overall sort of feeling on this thing?
This 3D printer is awesome. I am extremely impressed at how fast it is, how smooth the prints come out. I've only had it for like a few days and I've already printed so many things. It was all of the stuff I printed in like, maybe it was like 5 days. This is my Iron Man helmet I printed. Just like that. And this was all printed, each piece was probably printed at about 8 hours, I think, which is very fast, by the way. This piece took probably around 8 hours. And then I printed these two things together like this. And then there were supports here. And this took about 8 hours as well. So a total of about 16 hours, which is really crazy because I printed these two things on the printer that I got for Christmas, and I was pretty impressed with how fast it was. But compared to this 3D printer, this, which took around 20 hours, I think, and this that took around 24 hours, compared to this 3D printer, this piece here and this piece, which were printed at the same time, took 8 hours in total. Pretty big difference from 40 to 8 hours just for two pieces, and these are smaller than these. You might be wondering why I have so many Iron Man helmet pieces. It's because I was trying to figure out what size was correct for my head. So I printed this one and it was too small. Like it can come on, but it hurts the sides of my head pretty bad. And so I was printing this one, and I'm thinking it might be a little bit too big still, but it still fits me. And with the electronics in it, I think it'll be great. Then I printed this one and this one. And there was some sort of scaling error because these don't fit together. So I rescaled it all. This was all my fault. It wasn't the printer's fault at all, but I just did something weird when I was scaling the 3D prints, and it printed beautifully, but it just didn't fit the helmet. So I reprinted them with the same scale, and they fit pretty perfectly, as you can see here.
Something that I didn't know about before Jacob got into the 3D printing stuff, and something I'm learning now, is how much trial and error there is, and how much additional skill set Jacob's had to figure out how to do bracing and how to set up a print so that he can print two things at once on this bigger pad. And so to have this printer print so much quicker, he's learning so much faster. And it's not as disappointing when the print doesn't come out. It's just oh, well, that just printed overnight while I was sleeping anyway. I'll just set up another print and it'll go again, right? It feels a little less oh,
and I'll have
a gut punch.
I'll have it done by this afternoon, and I'll just try it on, You start it up this morning, and then you're like, oh, by 4 p.m. I'll have it all finished, and I'll be able to try it all out. I've even started modeling some stuff of my own to print. This is a cup holder for your bike. As you can see, I stopped the print because these cup holders were gonna keep getting taller and taller, but I didn't want that because these cup holders actually don't hold cups, which was a little disappointing, but I forgot to size the cup holders, which is fine, but yeah, I'm gonna have to reprint this, and yeah, but it should only take 4 hours, which is exciting. And then of course we have Benchy, and this came out in 16 minutes. I am extremely impressed with this quality. This looks beautiful.
So as I mentioned before, Creality actually sent this printer to us for Jacob to check out and play with. So I want to say thank you to them again. And we've actually joined their affiliate program. If you're interested in 3D printing at all, please check the link down below. It is an affiliate link, so in checking that out, you'll also be supporting our channel. This is really cool. I'm looking forward to seeing what Jacob does on his channel with this printer, because I'm sure he's going to be building a lot of things and working on some costumes, some cosplay.
I have some pretty big plans for Halloween on my channel. I'm pretty excited about it.
So check out Jacob's channel as well, and thank you so much for watching today. What an exciting thing to happen. Yeah. Really, really cool. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.